Hello my friends, welcome back here on the channel. In the last video I created all the wood parts that we need on this project. On this video I will create all the metal parts that we need, the rod, the guide, the thread bar, and in the last video I will create the assembly steps that we need to conclude this project. Let's start. In our project here we can create another component that is the rod here. We isolate that component that we can create a circle with 10 millimeters here, capture position 10 millimeters, and extrude that with 250 millimeters. We can create a thread here, not full, just with 15 millimeters, M10 thread with 1.5 millimeters here, and another one on this side, the same 15 millimeters, M10 here, just apply here. A chamfer 0.5, okay. This is the rod. We turn here to the main project. We can create the guides that we need to move this part, another component that will be the guide here. Create a circle with 1 inch and an offset of minus 1.5 millimeters. Finish. Extrude with 300 millimeters. For that we need two parts, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Hide this component and create another that will be the two bushes. Bush A. Create another component here, a circle, central line here in the middle, 15 millimeters, and an offset of minus 1 millimeters. For that it's 27 millimeters. Return to the main project, hide the component. We can copy this, Ctrl C, here on the main project, right button, paste as new, move, and click. Change the name to Bush B. Here. Here on the ebook, we have the same measurements in the diameter and the thickness. The length is 38 millimeters. Select Bush B. Here on the extrude, change to 38 millimeters. Return to the main project. Here we need to create a thread bar. Hide this component. Create thread bar here. Select the plane. C, half of an inch. Extrude with 300 millimeters and create a thread here. Change to unscrew thread and click OK. You can apply a chamfer here and here, and you can apply here a 1 millimeter. I sketch the middle plane, C for circle, and circle. These circles are the same measurements with 4 millimeters. The same alignment on the vertical. Here, the first is 30 millimeter distance, and the second is 76 millimeter distance. Here and here. Change to symmetric. The distance is all. And we have our holes here on the thread bar. Hide this component, return to the main project, and now we can start to import some components that we will use in the assembly video. Here, copy this code, insert MacMaster, and paste. Click OK, and we will find this component. We can import as step and download. This is the wash. Hide the component, return to the book. We can copy this nut, insert MacMaster, paste the code, and download. In this case, we need 2 of that, Ctrl+C, but we need to paste as new, the second copy, because we need a hole in one of that. We can change the name here. Here. This nut, we need to, this hole, we need to create a circle with 4 millimeters. Just extrude, select symmetric, and the distance is all. In the object, we can select just the nut that we need to cut, hide all these 2 components, and return to the book. These are the 2 nuts, the same code, but one have the hole here. This is the wood screw. Insert, paste the code, and download for the project. These are the components. Hide the component, return to the book, and copy. Insert the MacMaster, paste, and download the component. Here, show all components. Now we have all components that we use in the project, bushes, the nuts, the wash, and the screws. Now we have created all the components that we need, and in the next video I will show you how to assemble all this product and finalize this design. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.